Getting rich typically involves a combination of smart financial planning, investing, and sometimes a bit of luck. Here are several strategies that people use to build wealth. Entrepreneurship. Starting and growing a successful business can be a path to substantial wealth. This requires identifying a market need, creating a viable business plan, and effectively managing and scaling the business. Investing in stocks. Investing in the stock market can yield significant returns over time. Strategies include buying and holding quality stocks, investing in index funds or ETFs, and understanding market trends. Real estate investment. Buying, renting, or flipping real estate properties can be lucrative. Real estate often appreciates over time, and rental properties can provide a steady income stream. Saving and budgeting. Building wealth often starts with effective saving and budgeting. Reducing expenses, saving a portion of your income regularly, and living below your means can help accumulate wealth over time. Entrepreneurial ventures. Developing and monetizing skills or talents, such as writing a book, creating online content, or starting an online business, can create additional income streams. Investing in education. Enhancing your skills and knowledge can lead to higher-paying job opportunities and career advancement, which can contribute to increased wealth. Diversification. Diversifying investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and more, can help manage risk and increase the chances of earning returns. Long-term investing. Contributing to retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs and other long-term investment vehicles can benefit from compound interest and tax advantages. Networking. Building a strong professional network can open up opportunities for business ventures, investments, and career advancements. Innovating. Identifying and capitalizing on emerging trends and technologies can offer significant financial rewards, especially if you're among the first to market with a new idea or solution. Frugal living. Embracing a frugal lifestyle can help you save and invest more. Minimizing unnecessary expenses and prioritizing investments can accelerate wealth accumulation. Inheritance and gifts. While not a strategy that everyone can rely on, inheriting money or receiving financial gifts can contribute to wealth. Planning and managing these assets wisely is crucial. Achieving substantial wealth usually involves a combination of these strategies and requires time, effort, and discipline. It's also important to be cautious and seek advice from financial experts to make informed decisions and avoid high-risk ventures.